I think Montgomery County leads in a lot of ways. This bill will require an independent investigation in the case of a police-involved death in the county. It will also require that investigative report become public. Now, it's two pieces, and so for the first, we need to find a partner, either a federal, state, or local law enforcement partner that can investigate for us, and we would investigate their police-involved deaths. That is one option, but there also is obviously another option that the county executive mentioned, which I think is the ultimate goal, is to have this done statewide. And the good thing about the way this bill is drafted is that when that happens, I'm not going to say if, I'm going to say when that happens, Governor Hogan, if you're listening, we're going to be talking to you about that. This bill would comply with that because it says it can be a federal, state, or local partner that does the investigation. But equally as important, even if we're not able to find a partner, this bill would require that the investigative report, even from our police, which I don't think will be the case. I think we're going to be able to find someone in the short term and the long term, but that report be made public, which is important because as we've seen in these cases, when in the most extreme and most devastating of cases, when a resident loses their life at the hands of a police officer, the community rightfully wants to know what happened, what were the details, how can we learn and do better so that this doesn't happen again. And so those are both of the components. This is my first piece of legislation. It addresses criminal justice reform, and I've been told that it's the first piece of criminal justice reform legislation in over half a century. So let's begin the work of implementing and building community trust and transparency. So thank you very much.